Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we uncover the best in beauty. Today, I'm diving into a product that promises to perfect your brows with ease. The Smashbox Brow Tech Matte Eyebrow Pencil in Taupe. Known for its precision and staying power, this pencil could become your new go-to for defining your brows. But let's see if it lives up to the hype. Smashbox has crafted a brow pencil that combines the convenience of a pencil with the sleekness of a defined look. The Brow Tech Matte Eyebrow Pencil comes in a variety of shades, but today we're focusing on the taupe. It's designed to create a natural matte finish, which is perfect for those of us who want well-defined brows without looking overly drawn. What makes this pencil stand out is its waterproof, smudge-proof formula that promises long-lasting wear, ideal for anyone who wants their brows to stay put all day. When you first open the pencil, you'll notice how fine the tip is, allowing for ultra-precise application. Whether you're filling in sparse areas or creating shape, it's easy to mimic the natural texture of your brow hairs. The pencil also comes with a spoolie brush on the other end, which I love for blending and softening the look, ensuring your brows don't feel too harsh or artificial. Now, I'll admit incorporating this pencil into my beauty routine has been a smooth process. The application is easy, and I appreciate how buildable the product is. On the days when I want more definition, I can layer it without it looking too thick or clumpy. The formula itself is soft and glides on without tugging at the skin, which is always a bonus when working with delicate areas like brows. In real-life testing, I wore this brow pencil throughout an entire workday, and I have to say, I'm impressed. It stayed put, even with my busy schedule. I wasn't touching up or worrying about smudges halfway through the day, which is exactly what you want in a long-wearing pencil. However, there is one small downside: the color selection. While taupe works well for many, it might not be the perfect match for everyone. The shade could be too warm or too neutral, depending on your natural brow color. If you have darker brows, you might want to look into the darker shades for a more defined result. That being said, it still offers a great range for different skin tones. Now let's talk about value. At its price point, the Smashbox Brow Tech Matte Eyebrow Pencil is certainly on the higher end compared to some drugstore alternatives. But when you factor in the longevity, waterproof capabilities, and the fact that it stays put for hours, it's hard to argue that the price isn't justified. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting brow pencil that doesn't need constant reapplication, I'd say it's worth the investment. If you're someone who's after a similar product but on a tighter budget, there are alternatives like the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer or the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim. Both offer great precision and long-lasting wear at a more affordable price point, but they might not have the same level of smudge-proof wear as the Smashbox. In terms of build quality, the pencil itself is lightweight and easy to handle. It's a no-fuss design, with the spoolie brush seamlessly integrated into the other end of the pencil, making it travel-friendly for your on-the-go needs. I haven't had any direct interactions with Smashbox customer service, but from my experience, they're known for their responsive support, and they've built a solid reputation for handling inquiries quickly and efficiently. As for the product's longevity, this is a long-term investment. Given its staying power, you won't need to replace it too often, even with regular use. I've found that the pencil lasts for quite a while, especially since you don't need to use a lot of product with each application. In conclusion, the Smashbox Brow Tech Matte Eyebrow Pencil in Taupe is a solid choice if you're looking for a product that offers precision, waterproof capabilities, and long-lasting wear. It's a bit more expensive than some of the drugstore options, but the quality and durability make it worth considering for anyone who wants their brows to stay flawless from morning till night. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.